Hi everyone, I'm Xingyue. I choose QR code as my research goal for contemporary disruptive technology. People can find the QR code almost everywhere, like magazines, newspapers, tickets, or billboards. Companies can use them to promote their products and service, and they can also lead consumers to the website where they can get more information. Therefore, it has been used in many industries. Although the QR code technology has appeared very early, with the development of the mobile phone, the application of QR code technology has begun to be widely used. We know that QR code has been fully integrated into people's life. So today I will introduce some knowledge about QR code in details. Like the background information of the QR code, why it is a disruptive technology, how does it impact of the people's life, and what it will become in the future. The QR code, it stands for Quick Response. It is a mobile phone readable barcode that can store website URLs, plain text, phone numbers, or email address. In fact, it is a two-dimensional barcode. Due to the limited information capacity, the one-dimensional code is usually the identification of the item, not a description of the item. In 1994, Denso Wave announced the release of the QR code. A Japanese named Masahiro Hara was responsible for the development of QR code. Although Denso Wave will retain the patent of the QR code, it claims that it will not exercise these patents and that people are free to use it. So Denso Wave has made a great contribution to the world. The QR code consists of the matrix of a point, each of which can represent a binary 1 or 0. The defined architecture of this matrix helps the scanner to identify the following: the direction of the QR code, the position of the rows and the columns, the version number, the format and the data. I give the position of the QR code. It takes only 1 second for people to know the information stored in this QR code. So how do we scan the QR code? In this regard, I'll record a screen video from my phone. Let's take a look. When we open the App Store, we search for QR code, and we can choose any one to download. This app can help us identify the QR code. But another one, even we can simply open the camera in the phone, then point to any QR code, and then we will promote us to go to the website. This is really very convenient. This is done for any QR code. Because the QR code is derived from the barcode, relative to the barcode, it is used to identify the product's detailed information, such as product name, product date, manufacturing location. To facilitate the authenticity of the product, a conventional barcode may occupy 10 times the amount of print space as a QR code carrying the same amount of information. The QR code can be read 360 degrees from any direction, eliminating any interference and negative effects of the background. The algorithm used to create the QR code will allow for margins in case the problematic item or code becomes dirty or corrupted. People can also change the QR code symbol to include logos, keywords, images, and more. This helps to attract the attention of consumers. We can create unique QR codes that can help meet our creativity. In general, one-dimensional code can only express the product information in a one-way horizontal direction, while it does not express any information in a vertical direction. Its certain height is usually to facilitate the alignment and reading of barcode equipment. QR codes can express information both horizontally and vertically, meaning they store information in two dimensions. Let's talk about the impact on my life. I think the QR code brings a lot of convenience to my life. Almost everyone in China uses WeChat Pay and Alipay. People can easily pay or collect money with the QR code displayed on their mobile phone. This saved me a lot of time, and it took me only a second to complete the transaction. Besides that, WeChat is a social media app. Each user has their own QR code. People can add friends very easily because they only need to scan the QR code simply. When they have another chat group, they can also generate a QR code for a group. As long as others see this QR code, they can enter the group by scanning. Of course, the leaders of this group have the right to let people enter or leave this group. So in China, WeChat should be the most popular social media, and I use it almost every day. QR codes also have a great impact on society. For example, American Airlines launched a new service, which is Mobile Boarding Pass, on American Airlines' official website. We saw its slogan, "Save time, save paper." Once people get a boarding pass, just scan the code on the screen at airport security checkpoint and at the gate during boarding for American flights. It is fast and convenient. For those passengers who are always late, this survey can save them more time. At the same time, mobile boarding pass can also save more paper, which is also very environmentally friendly behavior. I believe that QR code will be widely used in society. I think only time will prove this, but from the technology we have seen so far, it seems that they will continue to be popular and used. In the future, the QR code may become a sign of a person. Every individual QR code stores all the information of a person. Or a pet can have its own QR code. People can scan it to see its birth date, its owner's contact information. There are many places where you can use a small QR code to store information, but we are worried about the issue of information security. Because for the current QR code, as long as someone has a chance to see it, they can scan and get information from it. It's really convenient, but if some important QR codes are leaked, the information will be known to others. This is a very serious problem for us now. If people can't find a good solution, the QR code may become an unsafe code. This is also a problem we need to explore in the future. I believe that there will be more valuable disruptive technologies in the world. These are the links to the literature I'm referring to. All of the above is the entire content of my presentation. Thanks for your watching.